In Africa, many people keep looking outward for a skill. They are following trends when the skill may already be inside them. The lie you have been told is that you do not have a skill. Listen to me. There is one thing you do without thinking, one thing that costs you nothing, but costs others hours, one thing that flows out of you while others struggle to find it. That thing is not random, it is not small, that is the seed of your calling. What is easy for you is rare to someone else. Do you know? Storytelling is a skill. Communication is a skill. Negotiation is a skill. Blending is a skill. Cooking is a skill. The world has trained you to look at difficult things and call them valuable. But the easiest thing you do is often the one the world will pay you for. See, there is no emptiness in you. Your problem is that the ideas inside you are scattered. The easiest skill in you may be the loudest calling on you. So here is the action plan. Number 1, take 24 hours of alone time, no scrolling, no noise, just a pen and paper. List 5 natural ideas inside you, then list 5 serious things you know, do, or understand. Also write down the things you wanted to become while growing up. Number 2, ask 3 people in your life what they always come to you for. Their answers will surprise you. Number 3, pick one of those answers. The easiest one, the one that feels natural. Then ask yourself, can I teach this? Can I package this? Can I use it to solve a problem? If you like, send it to me in the comments. I will respond to you. That is your first brick. Build from there. What is easy for you? Some people pay to get it. That is the second brick. Stop looking outside. Start gathering what is already inside. One day, one brick. Brick 3 drops tomorrow. This is the Street Lecturer. Class dismissed.